The all-new 2014 Cadillac CTS is longer, lower, and leaner than the model it replaces. Electronic sound enhancement allows us to take the rich, powerful sound character that we have under hood, amplify it, and bring it into the passenger compartment for the driver to enjoy. The car is now in the tour mode. This is a moderate acceleration, and the car sounds smooth, powerful, and refined. We're now going to put it in the track mode and have a little bit more fun. This is the true sound signature from the Cadillac Twin Turbo under hood being brought into the cabin for the driver to enjoy. This is technology that elevates the driving experience.